Howdy, my name is Jessica Lesnow and I am a second-year student at Texas A&M University School of Law. This year I had the fantastic opportunity to participate in a course called State and Local Trade Barriers. It was actually a collaboration between law students and students at the Bush School of Government and Public Service. As part of our capstone course, we were able to go to San Miguel de Allende, Mexico in the state of Guanajuato, where we stayed at the Hacienda Santa Clara, and we were able to conduct further research on our project. As part of our research project, we were able to go to Mexico, meet with officials and business people, and ask them the pressing questions that are driving our research report. So rather than having to go to secondary sources, we were able to go directly to the source. And we got some really great information that we never would have gotten had we not made the trip down there. You know, when a guest speaker comes here from wherever potentially their home country or their country of practice is, you can ask questions and interact with them for an hour or maybe a couple hours if you're lucky. But being able to go to the place or the country where that person does their practice, you get more of a feel for what it is that they are doing. The situation can be in some ways more formal, but in other ways even more casual than if someone were to come here to give a lecture, for instance. And you get to see them in their atmosphere, in their dynamic, doing what it is that they do on an everyday basis, and something that they're excited about. And you get to see all of that within the perspective of the culture that they work and live in. When a student gets the opportunity to go and study and travel abroad, it increases their competitiveness in a number of ways. They become a more well-rounded and diverse candidate. They can say that they've had experiences that most students at other law schools haven't had. They gain exposure to a number of areas of law, and they gain exposure to them in an international setting. They're thinking about issues from the cultural perspectives of other countries, and they're looking at legal issues from an out-of-the-box perspective, I would say. Taking the trip to Mexico was really fantastic because it allowed us to go deeper into learning about the culture and the history that really shapes how people live and ultimately do business in Mexico. My name is Jessica Lesnow. I am a second-year student, and this is the Texas A&M University School of Law.